everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk about the System3 Fluid Acrylics, different ways that you can use them, what makes them special and exciting, and showing you a piece that I made using entirely the System3 Fluid Acrylics. So the System3 Fluid Acrylics are durable and flexible and are perfect for multiple surfaces. You can use stone, wood, canvas, paper, textiles, whatever you're looking for. So you can use it to paint like normal pre-painting or an underpainting, pouring and puddling, dragging, layering, glazing, all of that good stuff. It can be used for so many different things. Because the System3 Fluid Acrylic is so pigmented, it has a really high tinting strength, but it also has a fluid consistency. You can use it in a variety of different applications. So I hope this inspired and helped you. Thanks for watching.